Where is the supermarket? Where is the supermarket? I need to buy groceries. I need to buy groceries. Where is the entrance? Where is the entrance? Where are the shopping carts? Where are the shopping carts? I need a basket. I need a basket. Where is the fruit section? Where is the fruit section? These apples look fresh. These apples look fresh. How much are these bananas? How much are these bananas? I want 1 kilo of tomatoes. I want 1 kilo of tomatoes. Are these vegetables fresh? Are these vegetables fresh? Where is the milk aisle? Where is the milk aisle? I need a packet of bread. I need a packet of bread. This bread is soft. This bread is soft. Where can I find eggs? Where can I find eggs? Is this milk low fat? Is this milk low fat? I want a bottle of water. I want a bottle of water. This juice is on sale. This juice is on sale. Do you have sugar? Do you have sugar? Where is the rice section? Where is the rice section? I need cooking oil. I need cooking oil. This item is expensive. This item is expensive.